Madison Square.
Hi guys, kami sa airport. We're going to attempt to do 3 countries in 5 days. This is my friend Chelsea. Ang flight is in a while pa. We're gonna first go to Singapore, then we're gonna have 1 day in Indonesia, then the rest of the way in Malaysia. Nakalimot na ko kung anong ganahan kung mag Tricity. Ingon sila nga ako daw ang ni push. Anyway, basically official Tricity is Vietnam, Thailand, and Cambodia. But we want to visit each of those countries individually first before we maka-visit. So we decided nga, what's the next best thing? Like next country pwede na ma-visit. So we decided, or I decided na Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia. We will attempt to do that. Did you attempt? We will actually do that. Everything, kagi-book na mo sa Klook, which Yammy discount code right here. Discount code here. Ano siya? I'll try to do more talking vlogs kaya I realized nga akong vlogs before kay puro siya scenery. Kaya I'm shy on camera. I'll try not to be shy. Ano siya? We will see you later, I guess. See you in a while. We've arrived in Singapore. It's what time is it? 12:27 and we are on our way to get our bags. Then we'll check in me sa isa ka hotel. We'll check in me just to first hotel na mo. Ano lang, just to sleep, layover lang. Kaya we have another hotel book. Layover nga hotel. See you guys later. Hi. So we arrived in our first hotel. So it's like a budget hotel because we arrived at na. Instead of staying at the airport waiting for the time, decided to have a hotel where we can stay and sleep. Small lang kayo siya. This is the bed. Cabinets over there and then the door. Tomorrow we're going to explore Singapore. So tomorrow na lang ako mag-vlog. Yup. Sige, muna to. Hi, good morning. It's our day 1 in Singapore in our attempt to visit 3 countries in 5 days. This is day 1. We're going to explore city center. Got like map. So if mawa me, skill issue. We're going to Haji Lane, eat at Little India, and all of these other things. Nice kang Singapore guys. Like Cebu could not compare. I'll bring you to my adventures today. Hi! Arrived in our destination. We're in Little India. We're looking for a breakfast place and we found something online. It's called Early Bird. Okay, Early Bird man said me. Say hi! Annyeong! Thank you so much! We're having breakfast. We're having King's Brekkie, so like King's breakfast, I guess. And then chicken and pancakes. So we're done with breakfast. We had a very delicious breakfast. Expensive, but delicious. Ang ako ang takeaway ato no, kaya nga nung isagol nila ang pancake o ground chicken. Who came up with that? So right now, we're going to explore. Kung sa'yo makita naman sa Google Maps, ni-book may ani nga trip. Didn't really have a full itinerary. We just wanted to explore. That's what we're going to do. We're going to walk and basically, nauna mo kung sa'yo makita na mo sa Google Maps. Oh, muna din ni, uy, igura ko ni steps away. That's it. That's the mosque. So we're gonna go near it. Been a really long time agad ako bookstore ever. Hi! Naabot na mi sa Little India. Hapit minawa kay sayo among gilinyahan nga tray ang match moment. But anyway, magani ka dalamig pa yung kay ginit kaayo. Kay you know na mga Pilipino allergic sa init. Nangaon na may breakfast pero ningon ko ganina gana kay kumukha ng chicken biryani nga gikan jud diri ba. Kay feeling ko katog India, ari lang ko sa Little India. So we're in, I don't know how to pronounce it, Sri Srinivasa Perumal Temple. Ganahan ta ko musulod, but di mi pwede kasud because we're wearing sleeveless. My friend is wearing short skirt. You take off your shoes there, nga musulod ka. It would have been awesome if makasulod ko kay I'm kind of interested. So ayun lang mi sa gawas, mag-picture sa very, very cool temple. Dong nami sa where we're gonna eat lunch. We're in Little India walking, looking for the bus stop. Actually, dahan kasi like temples here sa Little India. So if you wanna visit and you wanna explore their culture, you can do it. But for us, I think one temple is enough. Wala lang, ganun ako maka-witness how they pray. So di may kasud, kaya sleeveless ko. Yan si Chelsea kay short kayang skirt. Yan si Sai sa giga short. So mangita mi kaon, mag-lunch me. So yeah, mara to. Hi guys, we're eating lunch. Sweet food. I feel like it's authentic Chinese because ang ilang menu kay Chinese. Okay, we're walking towards the bus stop. We are going to our second hotel. So we're gonna stay in this hotel for 2 nights. Okay, the last hotel that we stayed in, stay for the night lang just for somewhere to sleep. Okay, late minabot. We're going to our next hotel. So mag-hotel hopping me. Ako masulti no some roads diri kay dili siya malata friendly. I'll see you when we check in later. Finally arrived here at our hotel. It's called Copthorne Kings, which is funny because nalapas mi sa bus. Okay, wala may kabantay nga, stop na din na may way. Wala naman na visit ang stop. Nalapas mi one bus stop down, nag-walk me here. We will be checking in a sec. Checking in. Wow! Nasa daw? Change outfit for day 1. Change to my hotel. Pahawaii me for like a few hours. And now we're going to Merlion Park. Hopefully, dili mo uwan. Ni dagom nag... Ha? We're gonna go to Merlion. And then, we're gonna go sa katong suga-suga nila nga trees, chuchu. Then we're gonna eat something. And then, yeah, that would conclude our day 1. So, naami sa bus sa Fullerton Hotel. Kaya ingon si Google Maps palabngon mi. Unya, layo kay mo mi labang. Unya, wala may kabaw. Sako kay ko. Di mo may kabaw asa mi padung. Di ay to naari underpass. May gani nakabasa si Mr. Isaiah Ponte. Kita siya nga na ay underpass nga pwede rin mo agi. So nisud mi sa hotel, inadid to di ay padung sa Merlion. Nagkuwa pa layo kay miglakaw. Kasi Google Maps pataka lag pahatag. But anyway, we have arrived! Merlion.
Half lion, half tour.
So, asa man tapadong ron?
Madison Square Garden.
So, we bought drinks because we can. Hello! So, we are walking in Helix Bridge. So, padong mi sa Marina Bay Sands, which is over there. And look, may construct nga something. Stadium daw. So, I guess in a few years, we'll see. Ikapoy na ko, lakaw! If you wanna visit Singapore, wear proper shoes and always have internet. Gamit kang Google Maps. We have arrived in Gardens by the Bay. Found this on TikTok. Pa-picture daw. Saka sa second floor. Walk lang mo here. Awa, nanay nice nga views. TikTok was right. This is a pretty nice view. It's a better view. We are here in Hawker-chan, nga nara sa SMC site. But wala na mi choice kay gipatuyok-tuyok mi sa Google Maps. Mo-complain na sad ko. Ang Google Maps way klaro gipatuyok-tuyok mi. We couldn't find the freaking MRT. Gigutom naman mi. We decided to just eat here. So tomorrow na namin mag-explore sa like other hawker centers. Mura na siya. Uy. We are back in our hotel. Alas 10 mo close ang pool and we decided that we wanted to try the pool. This is the pool of our hotel. It's actually really nice. We have a jacuzzi. This is the end of our day 1 of our 5-day Tricity trip. We're going to end this here. Tomorrow we're going to go to Indonesia. Walk you guys through it. Mag-barko may pa doon dito. Muna siya Cebu to Bohol. I'll see you guys later. Good morning. So nagdalit na meet breakfast because our hotel has free breakfast. We're gonna travel to the ferry. I'm out to make Indonesia later. We are traveling to Indonesia. We are already here in Harbor Ferry, Singapore. Harborfront Ferry. We are now in our day 2 of our 5-day Tricity trip. Today we're going to Indonesia, in Batam. Really came more ribbons. Boarding in our boat. Yes. We have now boarded our ferry towards Batam. It sucks because wala may nakadag AirPods ni Chelsea. Akong nails, buti kayo. 1 hour later, we have arrived in Batam. Oh, sana all na bawon. Hi guys! Nabot namin sa Indonesia. Ay, kung kumang-vlog. So later na lang, kanang masolo na mo. We are in Batam! Naglako-lako na mi here with our tour guide. Ito na may Illusion Museum. Nalingaw ko sa ilahang currency kay $500,000 nang nasa kong wallet karon. $500,000 rupiah.
Roasting area. So usually we are roasted already.
Right, yeah.
The fruit skin and the pulp, but outside of coffee beans have a silver skin. It's too thick, too hard, cannot be processed. Basically, it's like an egg. Outside have the shell, the baby to peel.
Okay, sulit.
You can put some.
Coffee.
Kami ang good siya. Mura siya kape gini nga bugas. Mura manggod.
What the dog?
One shot. You're buying stuff, souvenirs. We're in Batam and we're gonna get lunch in a while. Actually, alauna na. Gutom na kayo, guys. Gutom na kayo.
Ito yung river-ornate mong ipon nimang smile.
Ang picture, oh. Filipino is very hospitable.
Ito mo English kinay mo.
Ay, is very hospital.
Really sambal in Indonesia. This bridge connected with the
vlog.
Hi, we're in MJ8 Tower where a whole view of Batam can be seen. Also, we're wearing sarong. We're wearing shorts and we have to cover our ankles because it's a mosque view of Batam. We're in a Muslim temple. Wearing sarong. Yep. We're in a temple, Buddhist temple. Indonesia has such a very rich culture. Hindi ko kaingon sa tanan, but like our tour guide is very helpful. Like explained everything to us, which is like really cool. There, see? It's now time for our massage. So we're done with the massage. How was it?
Relaxing.
They cracked our backs, which was really good. Pero sakit ka sa liog. But it was worth it. Wala ko nagpatanog. Sakit. So anyway, that was like a traditional Indonesian massage. Really nice. So our tour guide, arimi niya sa isa ka modern Buddhist temple. The one we went to earlier was like a traditional Buddhist temple, like the oldest one here in Batam. Then this is like the modern one. We're at the end of our trip. And I'm gutom now. Yeah, mga on sa me before me mabalik sa Singapore. So mangita mig food here. There's a lot of food choices here. This is in their port. So we're back at the ferry terminal. We're ending our day here in Batam. We are going back to Singapore. So this ends our day 2 of our Tricity trip. And then the whole day tomorrow we're just gonna travel. Solito ng hotel. And then by the next day we're gonna go to another country. Stay tuned for more. Going home. Going home to Singapore. Home na din Singapore. We're back in Singapore. It's already 9. Shopping. Ingon pa ba ganina? Ay, yun, so hindi na magpa-change mo tagmani. Wala mo tayo paliton. O, diba? Dagan kay gipalit. Hala na. Jessa! Shout out! Anyways, ang oras sa Indonesia is 1 hour behind. Mara to, fun fact nga, 1 hour behind sila. Uli namin sa hotel and then rest and then tomorrow is another day. Yep, bye!